Okay, so 11%. We spend 11%. It's 721, and yeah, let's get started. It's raining. I don't know if you can see, but look how beautiful this Siena city is. That's Siena, I believe so. That's according to what Grok told me before. Look how many towers. Wow. Okay, so this is where we're going. This is where we're going. That's it. Okay, I'm starting to tour Siena. Let's see what we will find. Okay, so today I arrived to Siena. You saw the road, but now I'm in Siena. I just arrived, literally just arrived. I just turned left and saw what you guys see right now. It's behind me. Honestly, it's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that before. So you can see I will move around. I will move further down. You can see this cathedral. I don't know anything about it. I will learn along the way. Grok will be my tour guide as usual. And another beautiful dome right over there with the stripes, and you can see the bell tower. Unbelievable. And let's explore Siena together. Okay, we are now walking down the street, and according to Grok, the Duomo will be by the end of this road. So let's see. How beautiful that is. But I still want to find the dome. Yeah, so there is no doubt that Siena is one of the most unique places I've ever seen. It's just something very special. If you like art, history, I can't say that word, but yeah, very beautiful. But from here, I want to continue to Florence and then Pisa. So Siena, I've just seen it for like 2 hours, a short visit, basically for you guys. So normally when I travel, I spend days in cities or places like that. But I like to explore, I like to know the history, all the stories. I'm not gonna do it today, so I'm moving on. So I stopped just so I can actually experience it myself for a little bit, but also mainly to be able to share with you. So yeah. Okay, I'm still in Siena, but we are leaving Siena right now, heading towards Pisa. So let's go to Pisa.
Turn left onto Strada di Pesca.
Okay, Tesla. Okay, I arrived to Florence. From what I saw, just by passing with the car, just wow, unbelievable. So let me take you there and show you the view. I need to park. Let me show you the view. Just wow. The amazing Florence is behind me, as you can see right now on the video. Just wow. I mean, I have no words. So as I said before, I love to visit these kind of places because I'm a history buff. So I really love to visit these ancient places. I traveled Europe a lot. So I've seen many places. This one, first time, and it's very special. Now, when I visit these kind of places, I really want to know the history. I like to know all there is to know about it, and of course to explore more than an hour. Basically, I just arrived like 20 minutes ago. I set up everything, started to talk and show you, and that's it. I'm going now to Pisa, and basically I can't wait to go to France. So unfortunately, my Italian trip is like a short one, and it's mainly for you. So honestly, like I will come back for my own sake and spend days in these kind of places. So yeah, very cool. All right, it's 8 p.m. and I'm just about to enter Pisa.
Now bear right towards Pisa.
Let's see where I'm going to spend the night. All right, another parking lot with some campers, and yeah, this is where I'm spending the night. Yes, parking lot. I can't wait to do it in nature, but I guess that's not something that, well, it's, at least not to my. Anyway, I'm not aware of any places like this. So yeah. Okay, so tonight I'm sleeping here. It's another parking lot, but it is what it is. I wish to sleep in more beautiful places, but I'm not aware of any of them. Places like that. I need to gain some more experience. Also, of course, it's a new country. I'm not from Italy. I am Italian, but I'm not from here, so I don't know where to go. And I'm using some apps that I will show you in later videos. I don't know if you've noticed, but every time I'm sleeping in this kind of environment, there are RVs. And this is because, I mean, that's the app that I'm using. Once again, I will show you probably in the next video. I just want to be, as I said in the before, I want to be more confident. I want to be more sure about what I do and what I suggest and stuff like that. So I think tonight it's my fifth night sleeping in a Tesla. I'm not sure, but you will see right there. And so, what did I do? I went to Rome, I went to Siena, and I went to Firenze, Florence. Just unbelievable, unbelievable. I've never been in either one of those places, and as you can see, as then you probably already saw, just amazing views. And from this point on, I have maybe one more day or maybe 2 days maximum here in Italy. So I will be heading towards Antibes, which is the French Riviera in France. I might stop in the Cinque Terre. I've been there before, beautiful places, so I want to show you those places. But once I'm done with the Cinque Terre, Portofino, and some other cities, I will be on my way to France. So in this video, I think we will have one more location in Italy, but the next video will be already in France. So yeah, regarding my YouTube channel, so obviously I'm just starting my YouTube channel as a Tesla YouTuber. This channel, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will see my boat content. But anyway, I think I'm going to go with the format of one video every week, so once a week, long format video, shorts every day, and live every now and again. And of course, on X, I'm way more active, and I post a lot on X. So X, there is no frame. I'm just doing what I'm doing on X for like many years. And yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. It's almost time to go to sleep. I have a friend coming in, so maybe we'll see him later in the video. But yeah, if not, I'm just going to sleep, and I will see you in the morning.